This is another pair of buds that I'm given, and that's really cool because when these wear out or when these get much dirty or and they're not comfortable to use, just go for another pair that you have. Hi, today I have an amazing product to review, Realme Buds 2 that I purchased from Amazon 5 months back. So of course it's been like 4-5 months that I am using this product and it's been really amazing for me. The first and the foremost thing that I thought of while thinking of an earphone, the first thing was that I need something that just protect my ears seriously because I am on office calls many times for hours. So it's important when you are joining meeting online or you are listening to songs or you are doing something, your earphones or your headphones should be safe to your ears. Safe as in even if it gets bit longer, it shouldn't harm your ears. That's the one thing. Now, talking about its sound quality, it's very amazing. Literally very amazing. I am using it from past 4 months now and I am just feeling the change because before that I was using some headphone from Sony that was literally amazing as well. But I didn't really expect it that a 500 or 600 rupee earphone would be that amazing. So cheers to this. Cheers to this. I'll just paste the link in the description. And talking about the structure of this earphone, it has two magnets inside it, so you can just leave it like this so that they just stay binded together. And the quality of this wire is really amazing. This is mesh like and it's really helpful because it doesn't scramble, it doesn't get mixed up, and you can just keep it by simply rolling and just covering it like this. So that's really important. It should be very handy, it should not discomfort you, it should be comfortable enough for your use. And as the tagline suggests, feel the real bass. Yeah, it has pretty good real bass at this cost. And one more thing that I missed is that it comes with 6-month warranty. So if you face any problem, you can just ask company for the replacement or any warranty. And also it has another pair of buds that I have. So here it was, and this is another pair of buds that I'm given, and that's really cool because when these wear out or when these get much dirty or and they're not comfortable to use, just go for another pair that you have. So that's really simple, and there's also a user guide and you won't need it, to be very frank. And one more question that I need to address, that many people think like they should go for wireless at this price. Like they'll think I should purchase a wireless at 1000 or 1500 cost. But according to me, if you are going for a wireless, you should go for a higher range of cost rather than these 1000 1500. The reason being the quality. The quality that you get in wired earphones in range up to rupees 700 800 is pretty amazing, and for wireless it starts around 2000 2500 and above when you talk about the real bass, real strength and the real comfort in the wireless. So it's my personal suggestion that if you go for a wireless, then go for a higher range. And the reason being why I didn't purchase wireless was a simple reason. I wanted a cheap and best thing. I didn't wanted that thing that I need to charge it and I need to just had to see how much charging is left. And no, I didn't want it. I just wanted it for my office meetings and just listening to music a few times. Otherwise, I just listen to it on loudspeaker or some Panasonic speaker. So that's it from my side. I hope you love this video and feel free to post your questions. I'll just mention the link of these earphones in the description. Thank you.